Welcome to Brooks Family English. Here, you learn English by listening. We share cute family stories with a simple moral.
Hi, my name is Emma Brooks. I am happy to see you.
And I am Daniel Brooks. I love coffee in the morning. It makes me happy.
Hi, I am Sophia. I talk a lot. My name is Oliver. I am 3 years old. I like to play. We are the Brooks family. We are happy together.
Welcome to our home.
We live here together. This is our home. We feel happy here.
We talk every day. We laugh together. Family time is important.
We ask many questions. I like to learn. Sometimes I ask too many questions. We play every day. I like toys. I like to run. Mom, what are we doing today? Is it a school day? Or is it a fun day?
Today is a new day. We will see what happens. Maybe it will surprise us.
Maybe we will learn something new. Maybe we will try something new. Learning is fun.
I like new things. I like fun days. I want pancakes. Dad, I made a mistake today. I felt a little sad. I wanted to cry.
That is okay. Mistakes help us learn. You are still amazing.
We try again tomorrow. We do not give up. We grow every day.
Yes, try again. I fall down too. Then I stand up.
If you enjoy listening to our family and you like simple English, this is the place for you.
We speak slowly. We use easy words. You can learn with us.
Then stay with us. We will have fun. We will learn together. We have more stories. They are fun. Come back soon.
Please subscribe to our channel. It helps our family grow. Thank you for your support.
Please like this video. Share it with a friend. Learning is better together.
Come back for our next story. We will have fun. We will learn more. See you soon. Do not forget us. We will be here.